Hi everybody, hope you guys doing good. Today we got this 2023 Volkswagen Jetta. It comes with a front driver side hit. It's right here, all the big hole, and this car got damage inside with a windshield fluid pump reservoir and two of the pressure pipe. It goes from here to all the way here for the windshield fluid. So we need to change everything on the windshield stuff. So this is a brand new car. We need to get everything from the dealership, and we already placed an order. Hopefully it's gonna get it by mid of the day, and we'll show you how we're gonna fix it. Most likely these cars, they are pretty sensitive in the front of the bumper. They have a lot of sensors, so drive safe. And it's expensive to fix newer car like this, because this kind of bumper, they come in two pieces and it's expensive to fix it. So we'll show you today what we're gonna do with this. So we got the parts from Volkswagen today, and everything comes in the box. So we'll check what we got. It supposed to be pump, reservoir, and couple of fittings. Let me see. First we got the fitting, and we got the new reservoir, and also we got the pump. It's an OEM, and we're going to install it today, and we'll show you guys. Before installing it, we have to take apart the bumper, because everything is right inside of it. So in order to fix this, we need to take off the bumper and couple more parts from inside and the broken parts. So then we're going to start fixing it, and we'll show you. So we already took apart the tire and the inner fender. Let me show you what's the damages. So look, this is the reservoir for the windshield fluid, and right beside where this thing is, there is a windshield fluid pump. Everything is go away with a hit from this side, and it also bent this front link. It used to be straight and it's bent right now. So we order to change this, both of the parts. We need to put the new pump and reservoir, and we'll go from there. We'll try to fix it today, as we didn't get all parts. I'm just waiting for two more fittings for windshield fluid. So here's the reservoir. As you can see, right here beside there's a pump which is already blown away. So we have a broken windshield reservoir, and this clip is left. So we're going to replace this one with the new part, and and also the one of the pressure pipe, which goes right from here to all the way down. Yeah, it's pretty much everything is done on this thing. So as we install the new pump and the reservoir, let me show you. So it's right mounted here. So that's the pump inside, and that's the new reservoir with the brand new pump and the new fitting, which goes all the way around up. So now it's a complete fix. If you guys have any similar issues in your car, you can just give us a call at 647-708-1300, or you can come to our shop at 241 Horton Street. We'll happy to help you out. And if you want to see the brief on this car, you can just follow our channel at Mrik Automotive Works Limited on YouTube. Follow us and subscribe. Thanks.